Hey guys, thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel and also welcome to my Warlord Secrets review. Now I'm here inside the members area. Here's exactly the product that you're gonna get if you want to go ahead and invest into the product. And inside this review video, I'm gonna be explaining to you guys exactly what the product is, how the product works, or what exactly you're gonna be getting from the product, and the biggest benefit, or rather the benefits that are gonna be accrued to you if you want to go ahead and invest in Warlord Secrets. Now, Wallet Secrets, first of all, it's an info product, as you can actually see. And what you're going to be learning, it's all about traffic, and that's one thing I need you to keep in mind as we go through this review. Traffic, how to get traffic, and how to actually make money from that traffic. So we're going to be learning how to go ahead and get traffic from Quora, and not just you know some other methods that you may have bought in the past or watched YouTube videos. There is a unique twist to this, and you're also gonna be getting a unique software to help you guys automate everything that you're gonna be learning in the course, to help you do everything in just a few simple steps. And that's exactly what we're gonna be learning inside this review. So first of all, we have the welcome video. We have $43,000 in 7 days. We have the case study and overview. We have the main training. We have the automation software, which is the software itself, upgrades, which are the upsells, and also the unannounced bonuses from the vendor, which I'm going to be showing you guys all of that inside this review video. Now, before we actually go ahead and dive into the actual product, I do have some 100% free bonuses to give to you guys. Again, nobody's selling anything, nobody has to buy anything. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I need you guys to click the link down below, get yourself to this particular web page. And if you're coming from YouTube, I mean from Google, and also from my email list, that's fine. Just scroll down to where it says how to make at least $104 per day online. Once you click that link, it's gonna take you over to my opt-in page, and I just need you guys to enter your name, your email, click on this button. It's gonna take you over to my Linktree account. And just a quick disclaimer, all of the links on this particular page are affiliate links, so if you click and make a purchase, I will be getting a small commission, except for this link that says how to make $104 per day online. Click that, it's gonna take you over to my Dropbox account. Enjoy your bonuses. And I also do have some other bonuses, some premium bonuses to give to you guys. And I'm also going to be explaining to you guys as we go along how the bonuses are going to help you with Warlord Secrets and also as an affiliate marketer. And again, do keep in mind, we're going to be learning how to get traffic from Quora and convert that traffic, okay? And also build a list at the same time. First of all, how to create high converting landing pages. That's going to be instrumental to you as an affiliate marketer if you want to. You will be needing to build landing pages for your affiliate offers or where you're going to be sending traffic. So I'm going to be giving you some training videos on how to go ahead and do that. ClickBank software. This particular software will help you guys automate, and apologies for that, will help you guys automate finding high converting products on ClickBank. If you do ClickBank affiliate marketing to help you guys find the highest converting products and actually save a lot of time. How to find profitable keywords. That's going to help you with, again, first of all, as an affiliate marketer, doing keyword research for offers, doing keyword research for landing pages and websites, and also inside Warlord Secrets, one of the things that you're going to be learning is keyword research to actually find high converting or high volume questions on Quora, and how to go ahead and finding high volume questions on Quora using keyword research. That's going to help you guys a lot. So limitless traffic, that's going to be a paid training for affiliate marketing to help you learn how to do paid traffic with Google Ads. Again, with traffic you can make some money, with no traffic you can't make money. The coffee shop method, that's going to be an affiliate marketing training course on CPA marketing, helping you learn how to actually make money with CPA marketing using 100% free traffic. Quora affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing with Quora as a traffic source, and also how to go ahead and take that to the next level, which is one of the things that you're also going to be learning in Warlord Secrets or Warlord Secrets. Email domination. Again, if you want to make money online or if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you will be needing to learn how to actually do email marketing, getting leads, nurturing your leads, and also turning those leads into sales. Again, the money is in the list. The money is in the list. The money is in the list. How to create and grow a Quora space. Again, that's gonna be a fundamental for Warlord Secrets. We're gonna be using Quora the whole time. How to rank and make $100 per day with YouTube videos. Again, YouTube is another awesome traffic source. Link supremacy, that's going to help you guys understand how to do backlinking, which is going to be very important because once we find those high volume questions on Quora and go ahead and create the content for those questions, when we're answering them, we need to do some backlinking to actually make our questions rank higher than other people answering the same questions. So we're going to be making or getting more traffic, mobile traffic to our affiliate offers and so on and so forth. And finally, my last mega bonus, which is gonna be the biggest mega bonus, which is done for you campaigns for the next 365 days. And basically, what you're gonna be getting here is done for you, proven to convert campaigns in your email inbox every single week. And each and every campaign comes complete with a review video, come complete with bonuses and also a bonus page. And all you have to do is go ahead and send traffic to those bonuses, or rather um, to those campaigns, and it should be seeing some good results. So, with that being said, let's get straight into Warlord Secrets. Um, so apart from the actual training, we do have the Upsells, which is the pro version, and I highly recommend you guys to pick up the pro version because once you get the pro version, you get the unlimited version of the Quora software, which you're gonna be getting. So helping you guys unlock everything done for you. That's gonna be done for you. That's an upgrade. Unlimited traffic, that's gonna be an upsell. Traffic mastery, it's gonna be an upsell. Resale rights, that's gonna be an upsell. And if you want to go ahead and access them, come here to the upgrade section. And we also do have support. If you have any questions, send an email to them and they'll do the best to get back to you guys. But with that being said, let's start into the actual training. So first things first, we have a welcome video from the creators, and this particular product has been created by Philip Johansson and Duncan. And again, just come through and watch the videos at your own time and at your own pace. That's not important to the training. $43,000 in 7 days. That's gonna be a free training, or rather a webinar to show you guys how they actually made $43,000 in 7 days. And this, I believe, is on Warrior Plus. So click that link, sign up for the free training there, and let's get started into the actual meat and bones of the course. So we have a case study. Um,
Welcome to Warlord Secrets. So what I want to do now is give you a case study of my results with the method that I'm going to be teaching you here in Warlord Secrets so that you get an idea about what I've been doing with this and how things have changed for me since I've used and implemented this method. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my posting for the last 3 months on Quora. Okay, so I've got a total of 5.5 thousand views, and you can see that most of my views that I've been getting up until August were around 35, 40, 50. And then I took a leap here to 172, 247, 333 on one day. So what?
okay, so that's gonna be a case study. Again, I can play the entire video, backing up the results that he's been getting with, Wallet Secrets, and the method is gonna be showing you guys. We head over to the overview. First of all, click on this here to get your resources, and let me just show you guys a quick overview of the Wallet Secrets system.
So what I want to do is give you a brief overview of what you're going to be learning here inside the training.
So again, basically, as you can remember, I told you guys it's all about traffic, traffic, traffic. So first things first, we're gonna be finding high volume keywords on Quora. You don't want to just go ahead and answer questions that people don't want answers to. How to go ahead and do that, you're gonna be learning in the course. Once you actually get those high volume questions, the next thing you need to go ahead and do is create answers. Okay, Quora is a question and answer website, so go ahead and create answers for those questions, or rather content. You're gonna be learning how to go ahead and create the content, and once you answer the questions, how to go ahead and actually link or do some bank linking some some backlinking to actually rank your questions higher, not only on Quora itself, but also on search engines like Google, Bing, and so on and so forth to help you get more traffic. And again, without any traffic, you will not get any money. So that's gonna be an overview of the entire system.
With Warlord Secrets, there are basically three steps that you're going to take. The first step is to find high volume questions within Quora that get a high amount of search traffic. The second step is to use underground linking strategies to avoid any problems with moderation. And then the third step is to monetize. And very simple to do all of these steps. All you're going to need.
And then again, one of the ways you can actually monetize is using email marketing, or rather building a list. And again, I have bonuses to help you guys with that, to help you guys actually go ahead and hit the ground running. So let's just move over to the main training. First of all, we have identifying the bad questions, we have navigating your search, we have ninja keyword research techniques, and do keep in mind I do have a bonus to help you guys with that a lot. I believe it's here. How to find profitable keywords. So that's gonna be keyword research. Additional keyword hacks. How to go ahead and generate that content for the questions that you find or identify on Quora. Staying safe on Quora. First of all, when it comes to answering the questions and also linking to make you rank higher, you need to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna be ending up. You're gonna come up as spam, and you're gonna be, first of all, penalized for that, and you don't want to go ahead. You don't want to be penalized. Finally, we have monetization, how to make money from the traffic that you are going to be getting from Quora. And again, you can monetize by building a list. You can monetize by helping other people build their Quora, profiles. You can go ahead and offer that as a service on Fiverr. You can promote your own affiliate offers. You can promote other people's affiliate offers. You can have an AdSense site, or rather you can have a website that is monetized with AdSense. Take that traffic from Quora, send that over to that particular website, and make money from Google AdSense or Amazon ads. There's so many things you can go ahead and do and make money with this particular method. So finally, we have the automation software. Click. So first of all, click here to download that for Windows. Click to download for Mac. If you need to actually go ahead and buy some credits to use the software, but they have actually gotten you access to the lowest plan possible. And then we have the upgrades or the upsells. And again, I highly recommend you guys pick up, um, the pro version of this software, because that's gonna unlock everything to you guys and help you basically hit the ground running. And yeah, so let me just show you guys exactly what you need to pay to get access to this particular to this product. So the front end of this product just goes for um, $27, I believe. No, $12.97. The front end price goes for $12.97, and what you're gonna be getting first of all is the vendors bonuses, my 100% exclusive bonuses, and you're gonna be getting yourself a copy of Warlord Secrets and also a copy the training and the software. That's gonna be the front end. Um, OTO number two, the pro version, $12.97 with a $17 downsell. So get more training, case studies, and extra hacks on how to 10x your traffic and get more sales with less effort. OTO number two, $37 with a $27 downsell. That's gonna be a completely done for you package. So OTO number three, $97 with a $67 downsell, unlimited traffic. And keep in mind, as we talked about from the beginning of the review, it's all about traffic, 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 and not just any traffic, highly targeted traffic, and sending that traffic to highly targeted offers. OTO number four, $67 with a $37 downsell, traffic mastery. Again, more about traffic. And the final OTO, $97 with a $47 downsell. That's gonna be resale rights. If you want to go ahead and pick up the resale rights, if you have the money, I highly recommend that, because if you want to promote this product, which is a good product, you're gonna be getting 100% commissions on the entire funnel, so without doing any of the work. And that's exactly what you need to pay to get access to Warlord Secrets. And let me just show you guys how to go and get access to the sales page and pick up the product if you want to. So if you're on YouTube, click the link down below, get yourself on this web page. Scroll down to where it says click here to check out Warlord Secrets. Once you click that link, it's going to take you over to the sales page, which is this exactly. So we have classified training revealed. Watch how Will makes $348 per day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site with 330 million buyers. So again, so this is not true. No content creation. You will be needing to create content, or rather you don't have to create the content yourself. You can go ahead and copy and paste somebody else's answer, spin it, or just tweak it a bit. You don't have to go ahead and make everything yourself. But again, if you want the best results, I do recommend you guys go ahead and create your own content. But scroll down to where it says click here to get instant access, and you do have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can invest risk-free for 30 days. A refund will be given to you guys. Click this link. It's going to take you over to Warrior Plus. And once you go ahead and purchase the product, my bonus says the product and the vendor's bonuses will be in your dashboard. And if you want to go ahead and access my bonuses on your Warrior Plus dashboard, what you need to go ahead and do so, go to access your purchases or your products you've bought, access affiliate bonus. And once you click that link, it's going to take you to another opt-in page. Just enter your name, your email, click on this link, and it's going to take you over to the bonuses straight away. So that's going to be it for this review. I hope you guys found it useful and understood exactly how Warlord Secret is going to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next one.